Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Make Clinic. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you some brief information regarding the electronic fuel injection system. In fact, it's called mechatronics. Nowadays, lots of bikes are coming in EFI rather than carburetor. In fact, later on, maybe in some days, some months, or some year after some years, you'll be seeing around all the EFI motorcycles or vehicles rather than the carbureted. In carburetor, you can set the carburetor very easily, or you can change the carburetor settings very easily. But particularly when you get this EFI motorcycle, you cannot change or tweak around with the ECM or the ECU without having the software, because these are based on software. So you need to understand how to work these ECMs, or how to diagnose these problems, or how to set the parameters, how to do the remapping of the vehicle. Each vehicle has got different ECU, so it is according to the manufacturer. This is just a brief information which I am sharing. It is not kind of right now what I have chosen this bike because right now I'm working on this bike. So as you can see some of those parameter on the screen, so these are basically ignition related and fuel related. In the carburetor bike you can set the AFR by tweaking around with the air screw, but in EFR motorcycles you have to have the software, and so the unit to understand, to change the parameters, and you should know. So understanding is very much important in this what do you say, in the repair. The diagnostic and the repairing is very much important, because if you make the vehicle unbalanced, then the AFR will be wrong, and you may get low average or very high average or the leaner side, so which may harm the engine. So you should know how to check the parameters of the vehicle. Right now this vehicle has got different ECU which we got it from outside. This is the manipulator or piggyback, what we can say. This is the secondary ECU, basically what we have fitted in the motorcycle. This is 500cc which we have converted to 612 with different crank, different cams, different valves, of course with the different piston. So right now we are setting up and calibrating the vehicle according to the demand. The vehicle has to be balanced. So guys, you have to understand one thing: whenever you're going to work on electronic fuel injected system, you should know how to change the parameters. In fact, if you have the facility, then it is way better. Otherwise, it is very difficult to set the vehicle. So thanks for watching and have a great day.